Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Alright fellas, welcome back. Okay, so in a couple of days time we are going to be brewing up again. We're going to be brewing up the coconut shy IPA, and it dawned on me that because we've already got a beer on tap, I can't use the Keyser as a fermentation chamber. And the reason why I was using the Keyser as a fermentation chamber is because the Keyser is big enough to get the sub-nose in. The problem is with the fridge that we were using for the fermentation chamber, I don't bloody fast. This means that we need to rectify the problem very, very quickly, 2 days before the brew day. I could revert back to the old ways. Yeah, I could use a brew bucket and a blow-off tube and get her into the fridge. It just seems like a step backwards zone. So I don't want to go back to the bucket. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's a bag of fudge. Oh my god. Okay fellas, so we've gone for a bigger fridge. Originally I was looking for a chest freezer, another chest freezer. But I don't have anywhere in here where I can lift another lid up because I've got worktops. So I couldn't go with the chest freezer. Then I thought about a freezer that opens like a fridge. And they are thicker walled on the inside, they're more expensive. And then I found this. Fragging rice. Oh my goodness me! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god! Behold, the new fermentation chamber. Oh, yeah. Oh, Bobby. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that thing. What we got here? Now these are the shelves that we don't need. Oh my god, it's all stuck together. Oh my god, son of a... Oh, there's so much stuff in here that we don't need. I'll leave them in for the time being. I might be able to, when it's a fridge, use it for stuff. I don't know. I don't know. We don't need that. I've got to put something else in. We definitely don't need that. We need that. Oh yeah. Handle. And your fragrant goes, boys. Just like that. That's 2 out. Alright, so One of the problems I've got now is I either go the same route as I have here and drill a hole in the side of the new fridge, which I'm not really excited about doing, or we see if we can feed the cable through the side of the door here and run it just tight in just down there. Would be a better idea if it works. But we'll try that first before we start drilling holes. So I need to start stripping this down. Take the heater out and the fan. Come on, please. Now is probe for the STC 1000, which again went through a little tiny hole in the fridge. Trying to eliminate that. And lastly, the heater just wants some wiring and pulling out. Very good. So this is the heater, which is against the wired into the cable that's run from the control panel. So the control panel is isolated at the minute. And then this cable is the fridge. Is the fridge. So the plug comes off of here, which then again goes up to the control panel. So for this build, it is as easy as unscrewing the old fridge and the new fridge in there, and then the heater up to it. It's going to sit there, but I'm thinking putting the cable through the side of the door there and hoping the door shuts. Oh, which it does. Excellent. I'm going to leave that like that. I'll leave that in there now, and I'll drag round the heating cable. Okay, the fan is in, she's spinning, and we've just got her going through the side of the door and hooked up, and we've wired her as well up to the fans that are in here. You can see they're on. So the fans for the keys and the new firm fridge are up and running. Heating element is plugged in, probe is in. We just need to wire up the fridge now. Would you like to take out a 3-year warranty on the new fridge, sir? No. That said, fellas, when I flick the switch and the fuse box for the control panel, that light better come on. Wish me luck. She's back on. That's why. I'm waiting for the fermentation fridge to stop flickering, and that goes to a solid red dot on the cooling. The fridge should come on. Well, I can see, I mean it's flashing on the camera, but the cooling is a solid dot now. We should be dropping down to 3 degrees, and the light is on the fridge, so she's alive. Oh my god, no. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to 20 degrees and see if the heater is working. Okay, so now we're on heat. And I need to see if we've wired this up sufficiently. Yep, she's getting warm. We've got a firm fridge, fellas. We've got a firm fridge. That is it. Big tidy up before Saturday. And then we'll get the new fermentation fridge christened with the coconut Charpier. Shall we have a look at her? Oh my goodness. Me. There she is. So I managed to utilise the shelf from the old firm fridge that is in there solid, and this is going nowhere. Just got some caustic in that, giving it a good old caustic wash. I'll rinse her out tomorrow. Another good thing about the pressure fermenters is that you don't have to dash to clean them straight away, because it's just got CO2 in there. So it stops fresh until you clean. The fan is up and running. Cables run outside of the door there. It's pushing air around. It's pushing the air around, which is nice. The heater's working, and the fridge actually shuts, which is brilliant. Brilliant. Oh. Well, that's it, fellas. We've got the Coconut Charpier Brew Day video coming up after this one, and I've got quite a few videos that I'll be filming on the day of when Harry's here, so stay tuned for what's coming up. But that's it, fellas. As always, don't forget to much better to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the video. I'll see you the next time. I'm out of here.